Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Financial Freedom with Velvet. Came out here to do a video on a couple sites. So let's get into it. So PrizeRebel. You guys know PrizeRebel is my site. Like I said, I did a video a couple days ago on PrizeRebel. They took the tap research surveys off because they're the highest paying disqualification surveys. That means if you do the survey and you don't qualify, or you don't complete it, you get points. That's just their way of saying, hey, thank you for trying. Here's a couple of points. It went away, and now they still have tap research, but the disqualification points are gone. So if you do those tap research surveys, you have to qualify in order to get the points. Okay. Now don't be discouraged. There are peanut labs which give you 1 point if you qualify for the if you get disqualified from it, you get 1 point. Okay. Also, I highly want to stress that there's surveys on here you can do. And I'm going to show you the ones you guys should do, okay? Like I said, I know in my other videos I wasn't going to do surveys, but, I watched a couple of videos and found that these surveys do work. So the ones I'm going to tell you guys about is Your Surveys, Gold, and Samplicious. I did 2 surveys today, and I've been doing them. Okay, I'm going to show you this, you guys. Okay, so, let's see. When I started back doing surveys, I believe it was this year. I started back doing surveys, and you see on the April 5th, I got 80 points from a survey. I got 4 points from a sit survey or some type of thing where I guess you watch a video. I got 100 points today. I got 100 points from a survey April 17th. I got 77 points from a survey. You see, these are your surveys, okay? Today, I got 77 points from your surveys. I got 100 points from your surveys. And my daily challenge, I got 6 points. And also, I'm going to get 25 points for doing the coupons, for clipping the coupons, okay? Your surveys worked, okay? I would do the 77-cent one first, and then go down and complete the rest, okay? These surveys do credit you guys. You just have to give them, you just have to, the ones you just have to do them, okay? For those of you who are new to my site, PrizeRebel is a really good site to come on and start with. I'm going to take you over here to the rewards. Okay, so for those of you that like the PayPal Cash, the PayPal custom amount is you have to have, I believe it's $6 or more if you want a certain amount. If you have, like, say you got $20, you can cash out 20, or you can just cash out 10. But it has to be more than, I believe, $6 or more. So here we have 500 points to get $5, 1,000 points to get $10, 1,500 to get $15, 2,000 to get $20, 5,000 to get $50, 10,000 to get 100, okay? That's not a lot to get to, you guys, if you work the site, okay? If you want $100, work the site, I'm going to be cashing out in a little while here. I have $5.58 points. 558 points is equal to $5.58, okay? And that's $5 PayPal cash for me. And I stopped working the site for a minute because once the tap research surveys were gone, I didn't know what else I was going to do and how I was going to earn points. But I watched some YouTube videos, and they gave me some tips, and I started doing the surveys, okay? The reason I didn't want to do them is because it took so long to go through, and I didn't know which ones to do. So I watched a couple of videos, and there's some people out there that, know what they're talking about. Shout out to Every Penny Counts. Your videos about PrizeRebel really helped me. Thank you so much. I have not given up on PrizeRebel. Thank you for answering my question about the tap research. I don't know if you're subscribed to my channel, but I really like your videos, and keep up the good work, okay? And right now I'm going to do a cash out. Okay, so it's actually gonna go up to 58. So it's 50. It's 3, 1, 3. I think it's gonna go up to 83 cents. Okay, and tomorrow I'm gonna come back on here and work it. But I just cashed out $5 to my PayPal. Let me show you that. See, as you say, it says 500 points, $5 PayPal pending. I will have that in no less than 5-10 minutes. Okay. So you guys, come on now. I'm trying to get to diamond level. So diamond level, I probably won't have to go as high as 500 to cash out $5. But trust me, you guys. Remember the surveys I told you to do. Okay? Let's do it again. Again, I know about this because I watched videos on it, you guys. I was just looking for other ways to earn on PrizeRebel because I see people cashing out $5 a day, and I'm like, how are they doing that? Okay? So, your surveys, gold surveys, sample-issue surveys, Peanut Labs gives you 1 point each. It's 10 points. If it's 10 surveys, it's going to be 10 points. And do the coupons. The coupons credit you 25 cents. I have a video on here showing you how to clip the coupons. Okay, so with that being said, I'll see you guys when I do another video on PrizeRebel. I'm going to go to the next website, which is going to be One Day Rewards. Oops, hold on. Yeah, I spelled it wrong. Hold on, you guys. Stupid flies flying around me. One Day Rewards.com. Okay. Alright, so I have to come on here one second, you guys. I must have changed my username because that's why I wasn't able to log in. So I'm gonna go on here and I'll see you guys back on the site.